Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the base bounce effect in Premiere Pro. So the first thing I'm going to do is to come over to my project panel, right click, select new item and adjustment layer, hit OK. Now I'm going to drag this adjustment layer onto my timeline, and I'm going to count 3 frames forward by using the right arrow to count 3 frames. The next thing I'm going to do is to drag this adjustment layer to cut at that 3-frame position. Now I'm going to move over to my effects panel, and under my video effects, distort, I'm going to select transform and apply this transform effect onto my adjustment layer. Now under my effects control panel, I'm going to adjust the scale from 100 to 105. Now by holding down my Alt key, I can select this and duplicate it to wherever position I want it. Now all I have to do is to align these adjustment layers to the positions where I have the bars on my beat, and if I hit on play now, you can see what we have created so far. And that's it guys on how to create the bass bounce effect in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and see you guys in my next video tomorrow.